Yo, I swear to God, this tree wasn't here. This tree wasn't here before. This means that this shit fell down here. I don't know if you can see it right now. This tree fell down maybe last night. So this tree was never here. And I was blocking the fucking path. I was about to say awesome. But damn. Bet you the skiers here are pissed off. Maybe. Yeah. I'm in like maybe about an hour and 20 minutes into my walk, and holy shit, my toe is on some. It's just pissed off right now. It's like, why are you making me do this? Why? You're making me bend in certain ways that I'm not meant to. That's my toe. Yeah, almost done. This fucking walk is crazy. It's beautiful. It's not windy. It's a nice walk day. Really nice walk day in the winter. Really nice. And look at that. I might take a picture of that. I might do it. I might take a picture of this right here. But yeah, I'm enjoying this walk. This might be one of the hardest walks I've ever had in this park because it's snowing. It's awesome. It's just beautiful. All right.